Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Odoo 19 dashboard. So dashboard is one of the important part of every business to analyze the statistics of how a business is running. So let's dive into the dashboard. So in Odoo 19, we have a dashboard over here and you can find the install modules as we have just installed a few modules such as sales, CRM, finance, and the inventory. We can find all those, the dashboard of all those modules. And as we have just selected the sales module over here, you can find the number of quotations as well as the orders, the revenue, and the average order. So if you want to just deal with quotation, you can just click on three button here. We can just download the quotations. But right now, I don't want to get any quotations from here. Now, let's see how the number of quotations is changing over here, or the orders are just getting changed. So, let's move on to the sales module. And from the sales module, let me create a new quotation. Let me set the customer as the quoted, and let's move on to the product. That's equals to block screen. So, once you confirm the product and when you just made a quotation over here. And as you just move on to the dashboard, you can see that the number of quotation will be increased and set to 6. Now let's convert the sale order um, convert this quotation into a sale order. So let me click on confirm. So you can see that the quotation will be moving to a sale order. And here you can see again, when you just move on to the dashboard, you can find the order has just changed from 22 to 23. And you can also find that the revenue over here as well as the average order. Now, if you want to just get a calculation of monthly sale, we have the chart over here, and this shows the revenue. And here you can find the month. So here you can see the untaxed amount, and you will be getting everything from here. Now we can find the top quotation with the customer, salesperson, and the revenue, as well as the top sale orders with the customer name, and all details will be marked over here. Okay. Now we can find the top country will be marked over here, as well as the product which has been used for most will be also set over here. That is which product we have sold, and that is the top product with the revenue. The top product means the product which are having higher revenue. Okay. Now you can find the other details like top customers who has um, purchased the item for the greatest amount, and likewise the top customers will be arranged. Now if you want to just make the order of any changes over here, you can also change the order over here. Okay. And we have the top sales team, top salesperson, and top sources from which and from which medium we have created the sale order can be easily found from here. Okay. Now as you just move on here, you can see that we can also toggle the favorite, and if you want to share this dashboard to anyone, you can just copy the link and share with the one you want to view this dashboard. And upon moving on to the search panel, here we have different filters, like you can find a slight change in the dashboard with the previous version. When we just compare with the previous version, so here you can set a particular country, product, customer, and everything, and make filtrations over here. So let's say I would like to set decor addict over here, and with the sales team, sales and salesperson as Michelle admin, and let me go to the filter. And here you can see we don't have much records with this person, with this customer, as the quotations are 0, orders is 3, and you can find the revenue over here. Okay, so with the support of filtration, we can just get everything easily over here. And we can also just toggle between the global filters. So global filter is a new feature in Odoo 19. And here you can find that if you want to just get the results or the analysis of today, you can simply move on to the section and choose today. or you can just move on to the other options such as yesterday, last 7 days, 30 days, or you could set the way you want to customize the filter. And upon moving on to the configuration, you can find the dashboard. So it's nothing change over there. So as we just move on to the dashboard, here we can find the dashboard which are currently right now available. And if you want to create a new dashboard, you can create the dashboard over here under the spreadsheet. We just need to specify the name, group, companies, and whether it's published or not. So now let me choose the dashboard which is sales, and under this here you can find the name which is given as sales, and that this sales will be managed by sales administrator, and it is published. And if you want to make further edits over here, you can also just make further edits. And currently you can see that we can just um, enable this in the spreadsheet. So these are the things that we can find in Odoo 19 dashboard. Now in Odoo 19, we know that the AI is integrated. So with the help of AI, we can just provide the prompt and get the results within a snap. So here you can see that you can provide the prompt either by, I mean, taking from the board, or you can just provide the prompt over here. But as I haven't integrated, I mean, configured the API, I won't be getting the results. So when I just try to provide the prompt over here, you can see that I'll be getting the invalid operation as no API key is set for the provider Google. So once you set the API key for the Google, you can use the AI in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.